Honorable Deputy CM Saab and the Finance Minister, Bhatti Saab, adds the outstanding debt. Here it is, sir. Adds the outstanding debt of the state public undertakings with and without government guarantees. With and without the government guarantees, sir. As well as the liabilities of major works. Now you see, sir, now. You know, sir, as well as the liability of major works and unpaid bills on works and supplies to the state-owned debt to inflate the total debt figure. And ये कैसा होता है, sir, ये? Sir, if we are going to continue this, sir, this is going to affect us, sir. It is going to affect us when we really require loans. Because of this blunder and the mistakes, we will not get loans, sir. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. Just to corner a government, ex-government I would say, just to corner the BRS government, please do not risk the future of the state, sir. Do not put the future of the state in dark, sir, is my appeal to you, sir. Earlier also I have spoken and I said, sir, we want the investors to come in the state. We want the development to come in state. We want people to come here, sir, because our state is very beautiful. With this picture, you are sending away the investors, pushing away sir. What is happening, sir? The fear of HYDRA is so much the real estate has collapsed. No real estate investor wants to come. Sir, the government might disagree with me, but there are many learned friends over here many of them are into real estate also. Are you able to sell your small plots? Do you have the buyers? No, sir. Please, sir, don't do this. And at the same time, sir, through you, I would also add on one more point, sir, which when the BRS was in power, sir, which I was fighting for, sir. And I remember that time, KCR Saab, the then Chief Minister, he got up and he said, Akbar Saab, you're right. You can take out the record, sir. Sir, I'm coming on what, sir? Sir, this is nothing but following the footsteps of BJP-led central government, which has been seeking to restrict Telangana states borrowing under FRBN Act by clubbing the states borrowing and the loans raised by the state public debt undertaking with the government guarantees, sir. This is the major point, sir. I would like to repeat this once again, sir. Once again, sir. This is nothing but following in the footsteps of BJP-led central government, which has been seeking to restrict Telangana states borrowing under FRBM Act by clubbing the states borrowing and the loans raised by the state public sector undertaking with government guarantees. Sir, the question now arises is that, I have spoken, sir. Sir, like if anybody comes to me asking for a loan, what would I see? Does this person has the repaying capacity or not? Is he giving me a proper guarantees or not? When both the things are there, I lend money. I give money. And there is nothing wrong, sir. World over, the economies are run by taking loans. What is the debt and the loans of UK? I have those figures. And many developed nations, they seek loans from World Bank, from here, from there. So we have to take loans, we have to build the infrastructure. But if we have to criticize each another, it wouldn't be right, sir. So I really want to caution the government, sir. So we cannot follow the same yardstick of the central government, which is harmful to the state fiscal interest while calculating the state's public debt, sir. I once again repeat this, sir. Sir, we cannot follow the same yardstick of the central government, which is harmful to the state's fiscal interest while calculating the state's public debt, sir. Moreover, sir, a major complaint of the Congress members while in opposition was that the BRS government was not showing transparency in the state finances and it was hiding facts and figures about the actual state of affairs and state finances. I remember, sir, when Mr. Bhatti Saab was there in the opposition, he used to say this again and again. He used to come and also show me and say that, कि देखो अकबर साहब, they are hiding it. So, but now the present government also seems to be following in the footsteps of the earlier government. ऐसा हो गया है सर, इख्तिदार में नहीं रहे तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी मुतालबा कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी ख्वाब दिखा सकते हैं, कुछ भी वादे कर सकते हैं। इख्तिदार में आ गए तो उसकी मजबूरियां ऐसी हैं कि वैसे ही चलना पड़ता है जैसे पहले लोग चलते थे। Now I'll come, sir. You might feel upset कि अकबर साहब क्या बोल रहे हैं, मैं बोलता हूं। So the fiscal policy statement under FRBN has to give all details as required under AP FRBM Act and rules framed thereunder adopted by the Telangana government. These include a series of forms, sir. हरीश साहब को भी मालूम है, बिकॉज जब मैं उनको बोल रहा हूं ये लोग भी वैसी करें सर, छुपाते रहे उसको, नहीं बोले। सर, द फॉर्म इंक्लूड F1, F2, F3, forms D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10। अब बोलो साहब कितने लोग हैं, ये क्या है, अकबर साहब क्या पढ़ रही है, D1, D2, D3 बोलेंगे। But sir, these includes, however, in the statement of fiscal policy table by Deputy CM Saab now and earlier by the BRS, full details are not provided in F1, F2 and F3 statement as per the rules and the norms. If I am wrong, please correct me, sir. Why are you hiding this information, sir? Why don't you table this? Let the people know. When you are having this debate again and again, sir, I think this is the 9th or more than a 9th time where I was, seeking a clarification and demanding and requesting the government to kindly include a series of forms F1, F2, F3 and forms D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9 and D10, sir. And also, sir, I have been requesting for full details to be provided in F1, F2 and F3 statement as per the rules and norms. At least do it now. Sir, there are 10 statements. Now I'm coming, sir. Sir, there are 10 statements in D category, D1 to D10. But in Telangana's government statement of fiscal policy, only D1, D2, D3 and D6 statements are provided. Genius bureaucrats, no, sir. उनको शिकायत है, ओ ये नहीं बताना, इसको रखेंगे, वही सेम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, इनको भी बता रहे हैं सर ये नहीं बताना, ये छुपाना। अब लीडर बोले आप, मगर देखो आप, मैं बता रहा हूं लीडर को कि देखो ये लोग ये चीज छुपा रहे हैं, इनको भी वैसी कर कर वहां भेज दिए। ऐसा ना हो कि उन पे टोटली आप डिपेंड करेंगे तो फिर आप यहां आ जाएंगे। प्लीज मैं आपका दोस्त हूं, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं, मैं आपका दोस्त हूं भाई, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं। मैं चाहता हूं कि आप रहे वहां पे। सर